Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Right now, guys, I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the garden. We're back on our regularly scheduled program. Right there, you see some watermelon and some squash. Then there are some potatoes in that bed coming up. I also planted some peppers right there. Hopefully they sprout, but if they don't sprout, I have another tray of peppers that are already coming up. I believe that they're habanero peppers. In this bed, I also have some peppers, some okra, and some cabbages. I planted cabbage there. In this bed, that's where I harvest some potatoes, and then that was the Atamoya tree. And then right here is the Mr. Wu dragon fruit. It is going crazy. I just happened to see all these buds on the Mr. Wu. One of my top 5 dragon fruits right there. And right here is the trellis. And all those that you see right there are all going to be fruits. So these are all fruits, different varieties. That's the sugar dragon right there. That's the Laverne red right there. More sugar dragons. These are a Guatemalese variety. And that's it. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe, and also hype.